How to install Euro Truck Simulator 2 on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Euro Truck Simulator 2 on PC. So there are multiple options. So first of all, you can just open a new tab on your Chrome browser or any browser you are using and search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 from here, and you can go to their official website. And as you can see, there is a option called a buy or a download demo. You can just select one. As you can see, if you click on buy Steam key, you can see that it redirect to the Steam official website, and you can download the Euro Truck Simulator 2 from here or buy Euro Truck Simulator 2 from here. And if you click on download demo, you can see they will provide you a download demo from to download and play, and you can just simply install Steam and download the demo from there. And you can also come to the Microsoft Store and search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 from here. And as you can see, there are multiple options for the truck simulator, and you can just click on the Euro Truck Simulator 2 and just download it directly from the Microsoft Store. And that's it. That's how you can get Euro Truck Simulator and install it from multiple websites I have just shown you. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.